A retail business needs to ingest real-time database modifications from multiple Amazon Aurora MySQL clusters into an analytical environment. The goal is a completely serverless architecture that demands the absolute lowest level of manual maintenance. Which architectural approach minimizes operational complexity for this task?
A professional IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. The instructor reads the question and explains the correct answer. Option A. Configure AWS Database Migration Service replication tasks and perform manual schema mapping to populate Amazon Redshift serverless. Option B. Deploy Amazon MSK Connect alongside Debezium connectors to ingest streaming changes into Amazon Redshift serverless. Option C. Utilize AWS Database Migration Service to replicate binary logs into Amazon Kinesis data streams and then stream the data into Amazon Redshift serverless. Option D. Implement Aurora Zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift serverless.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. The Aurora Zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift Serverless is a fully managed serverless feature specifically designed to replicate data from Amazon Aurora MySQL to Amazon Redshift in near real time. This approach eliminates the need for manual ETL pipelines, infrastructure management, or complex configuration, resulting in the absolute lowest operational overhead among the choices provided.
Why are the other options less ideal? Option A requires configuring and monitoring replication tasks. Option B introduces significant management overhead for Kafka clusters and connectors. Option C requires maintaining multiple moving parts, including DMS instances and Kinesis data streams, which is far more complex than the native Zero ETL integration. When prioritizing maintenance and operational simplicity, always look for native, managed integration features over custom or multi-step pipelines.